Alright, all the push rods are out, and I only separated left and right, and the guides for the push rods. But you got to be careful because they slide in, and believe it or not, this is what I hate about a Chevy. They can go into your oil pan underneath the manifold. And so I got all the rocker arms off, got all the intake manifold bolts out, and the bypass hose up there, I got it loose. The one back here I had to cut off, and it's pretty grody. I'll be cleaning that out when I get this thing off. Tomorrow will be the head bolts, and then separating the intake. If it's tomorrow, I never know. But I gotta do the edge, clean it real good so nothing falls into the motor from the intake, because there's dust and grease. And I'm exhausted again. And then I gotta pull these heads off. That'll come later. When that happens, I'll know exactly which head gasket failed, and then I gotta have them checked out, make sure they're good. They gotta be level, if not shaved, and then check all of them for or both of them for any cracks. If that's passed and I can see where it leaked water into the crank, then I'm good. I could start putting it back together. But what a job. Okay, over and off. Oops. Headbutt. Over and out.